Honoratus was an early Archbishop of Arles, who was also the Abbot of Lérins Abbey. He is honored as a saint in the Catholic Church. Life. There is some disagreement concerning his place of birth, and the date of his death is still disputed, being, according to certain authors, January 14th or January 15th. It is believed that he was born in the north of Gaul and that he belonged to a consular Roman family. Honoratus received an outstanding education, converted to Christianity with his brother Venantius. He embarked with him from Marseille about 368, under the guidance of a holy person named Capricius, to visit the holy places of Palestine and the Lori of Syria and Egypt. But the death of Venantius, occurring suddenly at Methane, Achaia, prevented the pious travelers from going further. They returned to Gaul through Italy, and, after having stopped at Rome, Honoratus went on into Provence and, encouraged by Leontius, Bishop of Fréjus, took up his abode in the wild Lérins island today called the Isle Saint-Honorat, with the intention of living there in solitude. Numerous disciples soon gathered around Honoratus, including Lupus of Troyes, Eucherius of Lyon, and Hilary of Arles. Thus was founded the monastery of Lérins, which has enjoyed so great a celebrity and which was, during the 5th and 6th centuries, a nursery for illustrious bishops and remarkable ecclesiastical writers. His rule of life was chiefly borrowed from that of Saint Pachomius. It is believed St. Patrick trained there for his missionary work in Ireland. Honoratus's reputation for sanctity throughout the southeastern portion of Gaul was such that in 426, after the assassination of Patroclus, Archbishop of Arles, he was summoned from his solitude to succeed to the government of the diocese, which the Arian and Manichaean beliefs had greatly disturbed. He appears to have succeeded in re-establishing order and orthodoxy, while still continuing to direct from afar the monks of Lérins. However, the acts of his brief pontificate are not known. He died in the arms of Hilary, one of his disciples and probably a relative, who was to succeed him in the see of Arles. Hilary wrote the Serma de Vita Sancti Honorati probably around 430. Honoratus's various writings have not been preserved, nor has the rule which he gave to the solitaries of Lérins. John Cassian, who had visited his monastery, dedicated to him several of his conferences. La Vida de Sant Honorat. In the Middle Ages, Honoratus was the object of a pilgrimage in the Arles region, especially around Lérins Abbey, because of the writings in Occitan of Raymond Ferraud, a monk who composed a hagiographical life for him around 1300 in Roquesteron. Legacy. One of the Lérins islands near the Antibes, the French Riviera, is now called Saint Honorat in his honor. Gallery.